Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to run PHP using Visual Studio Code. So for us to be able to begin onto running your PHP code using Visual Studio Code, there are certain things that you need to install first to proceed. So first things first, you need to have a Visual Studio Code, and once you have that already, you need to install PHP first onto your system. So as you can see, you'll just need to head here on windows.php.net, and then you should be able to find in downloads in here to go ahead and download the different versions that are available for Windows or your operating system. So we're just going to choose this one in here since we're using Windows, and then we'll just wait for this one to be finished. Once it is done, just locate the downloaded file, right click onto it, and then you just need to extract this. So you'll just need to extract all, and then you'll just need to wait for this one to be finished. Now, once this one is extracted, you'll just need to go ahead and open the file and find this one, the PHP. Right click onto it to view its properties, and then you should be able to find in the location for that one. So you need to make sure to go ahead and copy this since we'll need this one out later. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to edit the system environment. So you'll just need to head here onto the search bar of your device and search in here environment variables. So you could see this one, click onto that, and then you'll just need to click onto environment variables. Then right after, just click onto path and click onto edit for that one. Then right after, you'll just have to click onto edit, and then we're going to create a new one in here. So we're going to paste out the location that we have earlier, and then we'll add in a slash, and then let's add in PHP for that one, and we'll click onto OK. So as you can see, we're going to click onto OK for that one, and let's head on to Visual Studio Code. So let's close this one out. Right after, we need to install some extensions for this. So we're just going to go ahead and head here. Let's install some extension for this. Hover your mouse here onto the extension icon, or you could just simply click onto it or use its shortcut keys. So if you click onto that one, we'll just need to search in here PHP. Right after, we need to install some PHP extensions for this. The first thing that we need to download is this one, the PHP Intelligence. So this one is a PHP code intelligence that is used for Visual Studio Code. So this one is important. You could just go ahead and install this since this is a high-performance PHP language server that is packed full of essential features for productive PHP development. And right after, you'll need to go ahead and install as well the PHP server. So this is what will serve your project with PHP. So just simply click on to install for that. And once you have gone ahead and already installed this, those are just basically the basic things that you need to get up and running the PHP using Visual Studio Code. So you could go ahead and create a new file already or a PHP file. Just head here onto the upper part corner of your screen, click onto new file, and then you could name in the project so that you could proceed using this one for your PHP file. And that is just basically it, how to run PHP using Visual Studio Code. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.